Hello guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make watermark with shadow in CapCut. So use a blue background like this and import it to CapCut and go to text and type in your watermark. Then select your phone. Okay, I'm going to use this, and then after that go to style and click on shadow and use this setting. So set the opacity into 100, blur 7, and then the distance 12. Okay, click on the check icon, and then after that screenshot the text and then crop it. Okay, after that close it and open your project. Then go to overlay and add the text that you saved before. So this image right here, add it as overlay and adjust the length to the same as your main video, and then go to splice and choose overlay. Click on the check icon and go to cutout. Click on chroma key and drag the color picker into the blue color. Adjust the intensity into 8. And the shadow 100. Click on the check icon and resize it however you like. And also you can place it in wherever you want. Okay, so here is how you can make the watermark with shadow. Okay guys, so that's all from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.